Hello everyone, it's Laura here. Join me, let's make this simple cupcake that everyone loves, and I'm sure you will love it too. We will start by adding 3 eggs to a bowl. It's best to crack it separately in case there is a bad one among them. Add half cup of sugar or 100 grams, a pinch of salt, some vanilla, about 3 or 4 drops, or 1 teaspoon if you're using the very liquid one, half cup of milk or 120 milliliter, half cup of vegetable oil or 120 milliliter, half cup of plain yogurt. Mix everything together. Two and a half cups of all-purpose flour or 300 grams. One teaspoon of baking powder. Mix very well using a spatula. Assemble your cupcake tins. I'll be using these, but you can use the regular muffin papers. Transfer your cake batter to the muffin cups. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow to cool down completely before decorating it. Add any toppings of your choice. I decided to use strawberry because it's very yummy with the icing. Look at that beauty. Tell me in the comment section what your favorite cupcake toppings are. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to know where you're watching us from in the comment section so that I can send you a special hug in my next video. I love you.